Start.
Good morning.
Good morning. Please sit down. Yes. So I'm a consultant of Law Clinic Pro Bono. My name is Maxim Tereshuk. First, I'd like to get acquainted with you. So, what's your name?
My name is Bogdan Szyborowski, and I have a little problem. I think that this problem deals with law. That's why I am here.
While speaking with you, I'll take some notes. Wouldn't you admire?
Of course I can.
So, tell me about your problem and your reasoning on being here.
My problem is a little bit stupid. I received one mail. That mail said that I could help one girl who was ill, and it was cancer. It's a very terrible situation with the girl, and I thought that it is very pleasant for me to give some money for this girl. But in the mail I couldn't read something about money. I could just send my name and surname, and it means that I want to help. And one organization I have its name. It is American Cancer Society.
Okay.
Yeah. And this society promised to pay some particular part of money for this girl and for her health.
May I interrupt? Okay. I'd like to clarify whether you have answered this letter first.
Yes, I thought a lot, but after that.
Have you the email address of the firm which was writing your letter, and email address of the firm which received letter from you?
I have the address. It is.
Okay, I'll get it.
Company. Excel.com. Something like that. And but I received the mail from a friend of my friend in my college.
Oh, that's very.
It is some interesting way of receiving mails.
So continue.
Uh-huh.
The next information I'd like to hear is what information you were writing in the letter. You in the answered letter.
Because the company, American Cancer Society, asked me to send just my name. I did it.
Okay.
Nothing else.
Okay. And according to this letter, as I can see, you have to write it for the few people. Did you do that?
I didn't do this. I just sent my.
Okay. And after your open letter, what was the next?
The problem is here. Because when I opened the mail, my computer restarted, and after that he couldn't work in some normal way. And it's a real big disadvantage for me because it was some kind of my work, my PhD research work in the hard disk of the computer, and this hard disk was
okay. Were you trying to send it to the service office or?
Yeah, I did it. Sorry?
Have you checked?
Yeah, I have a check for the repair of my hard disk, but this office couldn't repair the information which was on it.
Okay.
That's why it is very global problem for me, and I wanted to receive some moral damages and could I receive something for it? And what do you think? What is my choice in this case?
Okay, let me to clarify the information I got from you. So you get an email of asking you to just answer it and write there your name and send. After that, your hard disk couldn't work in a proper way, and the result of it was a loss of your PhD work. Have you some evidences of this, and maybe some part of your PhD work which is unfinished?
My PhD work was unfinished, and I have my previous version of it. But after it, I did very hard for my work, and the results of my work was lost.
I can say it's quite positive because you, with these evidences you can prove just that those PhD was on your hard disk, and you have a check from repair office. Okay. I can say that you were a victim of identity theft. It is a way some companies and offices are phishing in people and getting their personal information. A way to at first I'd like to say that the work of resolving these disputes, this legal dispute, is a work of courts. You can just file a lawsuit to a company which was writing you a letter. Besides, have you an address of this company or the proper name of it?
Okay. I have the proper name of this company, and it is
American
Cancer. Yep, American Cancer Society, and the administration of this site which is called SOL. I think that they could be the defendants of my case, of my suit.
Okay, I can add that this email was kind of spam. In another words, you have to you shouldn't open it. Have you an antivirus or something like that?
Yep, it is one interesting fact with it. I think it would be useful for you. When I open it, when I was opening this mail, my antivirus showed me that this mail could have some dangerous programs or something like that. But I turned it off because it was very interesting for me to read this mail. I did it, and that's why I have some problems today.
Okay, I can say according to the evidences we have, this firm, American Cancer Society, is totally accountable for losses, and but I have to show. Is it clear for you that you could be sued a reversal lawsuit if you do not prove your position in the court?
It is a question which is disturbing me, because I don't know. Can you have me any guarantees for the victory?
Okay, our law clinic is serving the client such cases, and we could be your defendant, and we could be your solicitors in the court. All I can say you that you may receive compensation of damages you receive. It's according to the check you have and according to the cost of PhD work, which could be compensated while compensating moral damages. But it's the next step of our conversation. It's filing while making lawsuit. I think so far information I need for today. Are you free on Friday? Can you come to me at 5 o'clock.
And you think that for Friday this suit will be
I will contact this firm and receive the information I need. I need the names of their administration, and I think for Friday I'll get this information.
okay? I think that's all.
Okay.